Hi everyone, I'm Jawad, founder of ExpertPin. ExpertPin is a platform where we have industry experts and they are helping people in guidance and advice that can take them forward in their personal and professional growth. Today I have with me Monica Peter. She is director for learning and culture at PT Slate Group. She has years of experience in recruitment and people management. I'm going to hand it over to her so that she can take a explain a bit about her experience so far, and we can take it from there.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jawad, for having me with the audience. And today, I'm very excited for the talk and the conversation we are going to have, and really looking forward to answer some of the very frequent questions which usually people have.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I think before we start, a bit about the platform. You've been at the platform for a while. You've had a few calls. How was the experience so far? And if you were to explain like the kind of questions you get, the kind of engagement you're getting, and what sort of experience has been in connecting with people, if you can just take a few moments.
Sure, sure. I think it's really wonderful. It's just been a few weeks, not exactly weeks, a month or so that I have joined the platform, and overall, I'm receiving a wonderful and overwhelming response from the audience. The idea the which you guys have through this platform is actually really wonderful, which actually helps a lot of people. Usually people want to have such opportunities which they normally don't get. So it's a very user friendly kind of a platform, and काफी generic भी जो situations usually लोगों को face हो रही होती हैं within the organizations. They don't seem to find out the solutions to that, and they don't have a lot of people to talk to, especially internally or with family or with their mentors, within the organization or outside. So this is actually a wonderful opportunity for them, so that they can very openly discuss about whatever issues they might have and whatever guidance they want to seek from the in the professionals overall. So I did receive a few connects, and the response is really overwhelming, I guess.
Perfect. That's great. So हम करते इसी तरीके से the reason for this call and this session is because a lot of people are now trying to engage with you on the platform और हमने कुछ queries भी receive की कि हमने मोनिका से बात करनी है, so how do we get on a call with her and what sort of expectation should we have around that. So the purpose of this session is to highlight some of your core expertise जहाँ पे आप अपने areas के बारे में highlight कर सकें, and then we take a few questions so that people can relate from that as to what sort of guidance they can expect from you when they connect. Right. So let's jump it in. I have a few questions for you based on your expertise. You're taking charge of career, culture, and leadership, and also like the recruitment part. You've been into those aspects in your career and journey. My first question. So a lot of people जो कि platform पे आगे सवालात पूछ रहे होते हैं, इनमें common question ये आता है कि we have the right sort of skills, but we are still not being hired by the companies. And one of the things that I could think of is the cultural aspect that they miss out on. So hiring managers, when they're talking to HR guys, recruitment guys, and usually that's the step where these guys are blocked from the trail. So why is it important to learn about the cultural aspect of the company that they are applying to? And in general, in your aspect, what is cultural fit? What is culture of the company? How do you define that? और इसके aspect में how one should prepare before the interviews and before engaging with companies के मैं for example Monica से बात कर रहा हूँ, I'm interested in being hired by PTCL. What should I know about the company? What should I be engaged with? What should I be asking? And किस तरह की preparation करनी चाहिए so that I'm ready as a candidate for them to hire me.
Sure. Thank you so much, Jawad. Honestly, it's a very common question which usually people ask, and they should actually think about it while they are looking for opportunities, internally, externally, overall. As obviously people might know, and you might have, those who don't, they must have seen in my profile in all the organizations that I've worked in. They were very diverse kind of organization. I have worked in multinationals, I have local and global organizations as well, in different industries. So whenever any individual they are planning to switch, they are looking for better opportunities for themselves in their career. It might seem a little unpopular opinion, but I would say being a cultural fit and organizational fit is even far more important than having the right skills. Of course, they are very important, but that's where organizations come into play. They do invest a lot in their people development to, uplift them, to develop the right skills to perform their jobs. Things are changing constantly. वेज ऑफ वर्क बदल रहे हैं, इनोवेशंस आ रही हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस पे बहुत ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट करती हैं. But what's important is what you are bringing to the organization, what value addition you are giving. So it's important that whenever anybody is looking for a change, especially an organizational shift, they do their proper research before doing that. Reason being, if your own core values, आपकी अपनी values, आपके ways of work, आपकी philosophy, if it does not resonate with the organization's vision and values and their ways of work, and especially with the leadership and the line managers alignment, then in a longer run it will be very tricky and very difficult, and I would say very frustrating, draining, and exhausting too. I'm using very strong words over here, which shows the importance of being a cultural and organization fit. It goes both ways actually. For the individual who is going to join a new place, and for the organization who's hiring the talent for the organization. If they feel respected, if they feel that they both things are resonating together, it needs to be a win-win-win situation. Win for the talent, for the individual, win for the organization, and overall for their job as well. Line manager, the individual, and the organization as a whole for the greater good. Then only it becomes a perfect recipe for a success. So all three pillars needs to resonate together. That's how they are going to succeed in a longer run. Few tips I would quickly summarize in a few pointers so that people can note it down whenever they are searching for a job or applying for any job. Of course, first of all, the job requirement is very very important, that is relevant to their experience, exposure, and expertise or not. After collecting that information, it's important that they do the research for the organization. They kind of what kind of causes the organization follow in a longer run. What's their vision? What is their ambition? Where do they see growing globally and locally? Then another very tricky and small tip for the people when they are researching, they what they can do is they may try and connect with the employees, especially those who are currently working over there and those who are the ex-employer previously who have worked over there. Mostly the assumption hoti hai कि those who have left, they might have left on a bad note. That's not in every case. Mostly people leave for various reasons. Yes, culture and line managers, their ways of work is one of the reasons. Other than that, there are reasons why people leave is for a better opportunity, better salary, better position, and sometimes things are not working out and they feel stuck. Internally, kabhi kabhar aisa hota hai कि opportunities नहीं होती. That's why people move to other organizations. So ये अगर कुछ tips लोग करें, so I think वो बहुत उनके लिए फायदेमंद होगा, because काम कंपनी सिखा देती हैं, ट्रेनिंग्स होती हैं, अब डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती हैं, लेकिन वो जो एक्स फैक्टर आप लेकर आते हैं और वो जो लॉन्गर रन में अलाइनमेंट होती है विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वो बहुत आई थिंक जरूरी होती है. सो वो स्पेशली विद द चेंजिंग टाइम, हायरिंग मैनेजर्स एंड रिक्रूटर डू consider that as well. In fact, in a few organizations, they do make it part of their assessment process too. While assessing the talent, they not only assess for the right skills for the job, they do consider a major part of it as a organization fit. I hope that
Perfect. I
helps.
think, yeah, बिल्कुल. I think that's very true. Generally, when people are applying, and जितनों से मैंने बात की, for example, that I always tell them, to know more about the company before they jump into this interview session. होता ये है कि लोग अपनी स्किल सेट के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा फोकस्ड होते हैं. They are always upfront about speaking about themselves, but they're not aligned with the idea of the company. And इसकी वजह से the discussion is irrelevant because they are emphasizing on how they are good at something and the companies are looking for a solution for a job that they have. So यहाँ पे एक mismatch है. But then again, आपने जिस तरीके से एक सवाल एक comment mention किया कि there are reasons why people leave the company, और उसमें एक reason ये होता है कि they're not a lot of internal opportunities, right? So अगला सवाल इसी से relate करते हैं कि if somebody is part of an organization, so now पहले स्पेक्ट पे हमने बात की कि किस तरीके से आपने जॉब लेनी है किसी कंपनी के अंदर. Now that you're part of the organization, and let's consider there are opportunities within the organization for anyone to grow. So कौन से ऐसे steps होंगे जहां पे आप समझती हैं कि ये 5 steps होने चाहिए जहां पे लोगों को focus करना चाहिए, so that let's say in a year's time, in 2 years time, they're scaling in their journey within the organization, कि ताकि वो vertical horizontal way में grow कर रहे हो within the organization. So over to you, what are your comments around that?
Beautiful question, Jawad. I can actually vouch for it because in all my career, I had been associated with the primarily different areas of HR and people side. People are being hired for their skills and talent, but with time, they have to keep on, developing themselves. Yes, organizations do invest a lot, and they do keep huge budgets for people development, their training, they're providing them different opportunities. However, I personally believe it's the individual responsibility. First of all, सबसे पहले nobody is going to come and tell you कि अच्छा आप ये करें तो आप प्रमोट हो जाएंगे, या आप फलानी चीज कर लें, या आप इस तरह से खुद को कर लें, या आप उस रोल पे चले जाएं. Yes, of course, opportunities होती हैं, आप इंटरनेटली जरूर देखते हैं. But first of all, I think it's the individual responsibility कि वो खुद को time to time develop करे with innovation, with new initiatives coming up, and एक role में एक सर्टेन टाइम के बाद मूव होना बहुत जरूरी है. अब हमने काफी पहले देखा था दैट यूजुअली पीपल कम इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और वो 10-10 15-15 साल लगा देते थे एक ही जगह पे. मे बी इट्स थोड़ा सा हम अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन को वसी कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं. लेकिन यूजुअली ऐसा होता था कि लोग बहुत ज्यादा साल लगाते थे एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. अब ट्रेंड्स आर चेंजिंग. आपने शायद सुना होगा एचआर की फील्ड में या जनरली भी लोग ये बात कर रहे होते हैं कि क्या मैं अगर इतना जल्दी स्विच करूंगा तो वो जॉब हॉपिंग में तो कंसीडर नहीं होएगा. um,
Hmm.
अब वो चीजें और वो ट्रेंड्स थोड़े चेंज हो रहे हैं. पीपल डू चेंज एंड स्विच जॉब्स और रोल्स quite frequently as compared to in the previous years. And being a nature professional and expert, I would say it is not considered negative. Rather, it considered as a positive thing about an individual and their talent that they are growing actually. Even though I don't say that it's a bad thing to spend number of years within the organization. However, it is important that your role is changing or it is expanding. और वो किस तरह से होगा? आप करंट रोल में तो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, बट यू नीड टू कीप ऑन डेवलपिंग योरसेल्फ, एंड उसकी मुख्तलिफ तरीके हो सकते हैं. अब जैसे मैंने जेनेरिक तो शायद कुछ बातें की, लेकिन अगर मैं स्पेसिफिक होके आपको एग्जांपल दूं तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में ओके फाइन, अगर आप एक रोल पे हैं, मे बी लुक लुक अराउंड दूसरे अपॉर्चुनिटीज दूसरे रोल में ताकि आप ग्रो करें. You are an expert in this role, but what next? You need to stay relevant for the organization. And it's not necessarily that growth or development आपकी through elevation या vertical move के through ही हो कि आप promote हो रहे हैं या आपका grade change हो रहा है. Development and promotion and exposure can be through lateral moves or horizontal moves too. Maybe you are expert in one area within HR also, or within sales or commercial. आप एक field में काम कर रहे हैं, but you need to get exposure of other areas to get elevated too. For a senior role, आप एक role काम कर रहे थे, एक role पे काम कर रहे थे, but you need to expand your experience to get elevated. And that can be through different, tools or opportunities which usually organizations offer. I will use a few terms which within HR we use in the companies, like additional assignments, job shadowing, cross-functional projects. Maybe you are not ready now for certain role, but you can get developed for that elevated role maybe in 6 to 8 months, or 6 to 12 months, or 3 months time, or 4 months time. Maybe for 3 to 4 months time, your line manager think that you're not ready. You do have those one-on-ones with your line manager, and do make sure to have the skip level meetings with the second line or the department head too, so that you not only are focused in your current goals, but you can develop your development areas. Unfortunately, in our usually log feedbacks को बहुत negatively ले रहे होते हैं, and it goes both ways. the feedback देने वाला भी और feedback लेने वाला भी, giving and receiving
Mm.
feedback is a very important and critical job, which usually people don't follow and consider. So do make sure have those one-on-ones and skip levels very frequently so that you can understand where you stand right now. आप अपने बारे में sometimes हम खुद उस तरह से analyze नहीं कर पाते कि what are our development areas. अपने आप को sometimes बहुत अच्छा rate कर रहे होते हैं या बहुत कम underestimate भी कर रहे होते हैं. But maybe our line or our peers or our functional head, they do see those development areas and those strengths that we have which can be utilized in other areas. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट ये कि कुछ चीज़ें ज़रूर फॉलो करनी चाहिए अपने डेवलपमेंट पाथ के लिए और ग्रो करने के लिए कि आप वन ऑन वंस करें अपनी कंटिन्यूस लर्निंग पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करें थ्रू डिफरेंट वेज there is a philosophy which usually is being used of 3 E's, which is experience, exposure, and education. Sometimes हम learning को training से ही associate कर रहे होते हैं that the company is going to send us through a 1 week retreat or a residential program या हम कोई certification कर लेंगे only then we'll get developed to be considered for a next role or an elevated role. However, there are other areas or ways too, जिसके through हम खुद को develop कर सकते हैं. Maybe we can get exposure of something. Maybe we can get a 3 months, 4 months assignment or a job shadow, जिसके through हम खुद को develop कर सकें. So I believe after a year or so, at least 1 to 2 year time is I think more than enough for one particular role जिसमें आप हो रहे होते हैं. Usually 1 year annual cycle होती है. एंड कंपनीज में पॉलिसीज भी यही होती हैं कि वन हैज टू स्पेंड एटलीस्ट 12 months और अ year's टाइम इन वन रोल एंड उसके बाद दे कैन लुक अराउंड. सो डोंट वेट कि मेरा 1 year 2 years कंप्लीट होंगे ओनली देन आई स्टार्ट लुकिंग बिकॉज राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगता है और आपको डेवलप होने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. So it's important कि before time you start working on these areas so that you can get the right opportunity.
Perfect. I think makes all the sense. और ये बहुत relevant था जो आपने point mention किया इसलिए भी because जब लोग organizations में grow करने की बात कर रहे होते हैं, so typically they're only looking at vertical growth. They're not horizontally expanding their reach as well. So, for example, if I talk about my own experience in the past, working with startups and different companies, technology side especially, more and companies are now skill focused. So, if you're someone who had experience in, let's say, sales, you can always go to operations role if you have built your experience around that. So that's always open. It's just that कि आप organization में रहते हुए you keep your eyes onto the target and you keep growing within जिस तरह मोनिका ने बताया. So there are ways for you to grow and engage with different people within the organization, and likewise, for example, if you're a salesperson but you're trying to expand in operation side, and if you have that skill and you have that knowledge within the company, it's very hard for company to discard you as an option and take someone from the outside of the organization. So it's always relevant and always important. That's perfect, Monica. I think I'll jump to the next question. So learning पे ही हम बात करते हैं since you're leading the learning initiatives at PTCL. It's a huge organization again. So I'm sure you're always working on areas जहाँ पे लोगों की growth के बारे में बात की जा रही है, उनकी learning के बारे में बात की जा रही है. So typically हमने within organization growth की बात की, but अगर मैं बात करूँ कि as someone who's a professional has years of experience and now they're in the mindset कि मैंने experience बहुत सारा ले लिया, but what is it for me in terms of learning? So how do you define that and what can be the pathway? कि मैं for example 10 साल के experience के साथ बैठा हूँ, मैंने companies के साथ काम किया है and I'm good at what I'm doing, but what is it for me in terms of learning? मुझे कहाँ जाके अब learning के लिए जो है रास्ते तलाश करने चाहिए? पहली चीज ये, और दूसरी चीज ये, since you're on the platform and you're helping people, so what is the pathway you define with them कि जब आपसे कोई one on one connect करता है, so what are the steps that you take with them कि ये steps हम follow करेंगे so that we build a pathway for you to grow on a personal level so that you can explore more kind of opportunities.
Sure. I think another very important question, and it's very relevant to which we were talking about right now. I would, divide it in two areas. One, of course, internally, and then externally, how can they look into it? Internally, की अगर हम बात करें तो it's I'll connect this one with the previous discussion जो भी हम कर रहे थे, that it's very important to keep yourself relevant. Within the organization, usually how it happens within HR and different departments के अंदर when talent is being hired, so they are being evaluated and assessed. Not only when they are hired, then of course they are being interviewed or उनकी assessment होती है, and that's how the process works. But whenever there is an opportunity to get elevated, promoted, or moved or rotated to another role, then every individual and every talent within the organization is being assessed through different tools or different processes or frameworks within the organization. So the people who are who have spent number of years and some time in one role or within one company or one department, it's very important, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी mention किया, that do not wait for certain number of years to pass by, because otherwise you might be considered that you are complacent or you have very limited skills and you cannot be elevated to other role. Yes, everybody cannot be leaders. Organization do need followers and people who keep on doing the same work. But for an individual, it's important कि वो खुद को कैसे grow करवाए. For that, companies follow tools and frameworks and processes of talent reviews and performance management system. I'm sure everybody is aware of all these terms. So whenever they are being held in the organization, it's important that individual himself and herself should also be aware that what were the discussions being done in those talent reviews or performance management platforms and discussions. It's always a panel discussion. It's not sometimes, your line manager is, yes, definitely there to guide you and coach you. But in those meetings and in those sessions, there is usually a cross functional panel. Not only your functional or departmental head, there are HR business partners, there are other, senior leadership team, other CXOs also sit in that. So it's important that not only you develop yourself in your particular department or area, it's important to, expand your horizons in other areas as well, cross functionally. बिकॉज अभी आप एक डिपार्टमेंट या एक टीम या एक रोल में काम कर रहे हैं, दैट डजंट मीन कि आप उसी में ही रहेंगे. ये जैसे अभी आपने एग्जांपल दी दैट इफ यू आर इन सेल्स एंड यू वांट टू मूव टू ऑपरेशंस और एचआर और फाइनेंस, maybe you're good at some other areas as well. How would that function or department know that how capable you are if you are stuck in one area only? So ये चीजें जरूर बहुत important होती हैं. Other than that, find and seek mentors and guides and coaches, either internally or externally too. Those who might be, have experienced all those positions and situations life में अपने experiences से उनसे जरूर सीखें. Um, internally and externally both. Development के लिए अपने network को जरूर expand करें. And by network, जैसे कि internally, that will definitely help you whenever there are these performance management and talent reviews discussion, assessments की बात हो रही होगी, development की बात हो रही होगी, cross functional movements और rotations की बात हो रही होगी, तो जरूर वो चीज आपको हेल्प करेगी. और एक्सटर्नली whenever you are switching job and looking for better opportunities, sometimes there are circumstances के internally आप grow नहीं हो पा रहे या वो रोल ऐसा मौजूद नहीं था, then आप externally look around करते. So it's important कि आपका network बहुत strong हो, not only internally बल्कि externally भी. So इन चीजों को जरूर देखें. And again, I cannot emphasize more on the importance of having frequent one-on-ones with your line manager, but your skip line and other mentors too. That only not helps you, but your manager too. Sometimes there are personal biases as well. So when जब आपने ये one-on-ones और ये skip level meetings की होंगी, it's important that these meetings are being documented. It will help you in both ways. Positively, definitely it help करेगा that your manager will see that you take initiatives, you want to develop, आपकी aspirations हैं, आप सिर्फ wait नहीं कर रहे बैठ के कि आपको कोई opportunity दे देगा. So positively, of course, वैसे help करेगी. और अगर if there is any personal grudge or rift or frequency आपकी match नहीं कर रही है with your line or anything, so वहां पे भी you are going to safeguard your own skin, so that whenever there is negative feedback या कोई भी ऐसी चीज होगी, so you have all these feedback sessions and review sessions documented with you that these are my goals which were initially being discussed. These are my performance reviews which I had with my line manager and the skip level and with HR, so that there isn't any negative feedback about you and you are being safe in that area too. So is tarah ki kuch cheez, I think if people keep on following those, ultimately it will help. Or external is always open. They keep on looking externally too.
Yeah, I think that's important. Externally की जब हम बात करते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग I think mentorship को समझते तो हैं but they're not very much serious about it. So I get it when people reach out for help. But second time अगर आप follow up कर रहे हो उनके topic पे it becomes like कि, you reached out for help but then you're not serious about it. So that's very important for an individual. किसी भी level पे अगर आप किसी भी mentor के साथ या coach के साथ engage कर रहे हैं, so you have to have like clear set of expectation and you need to have clear set of uh, problem जहाँ पे आप काम करना चाह रहे हैं. It's not like you're always hopping on. So we all have heard Monica. Monica is part of Expert Pen. So anyone who's trying to engage and trying to get gain help, जहाँ पे professionally they can gain insights and guidance ताकि वो professionally grow कर सके on personal level पे they can adopt this habit of nurturing their own learnings as well. So Monica is part of the platform. She's available. You can set up one-on-one calls with her and she can help you with building a pathway for your own self, internal growth, external growth. And like she said, networking is also part of it's a key part of growing professionally. So she's here. She's going to be able to help you with all sort of things. You have heard the discussion with her. I'm going to keep it short. So that's all from my side because we just want to make sure that we take only the necessary relevant questions and then people can book one-on-one meetings with you. So Monica, over to you. Any last comments or something you would like to share?
Sure. Thank you so much, Vad, once again for the opportunity, and I hope that people do take advantage of it. I did try to summarize a lot of things, and I do feel while I was saying all these things that this might be a little overwhelming for people. However, there's a lot of depth in every each and every point that I've mentioned. हमने अभी जनरली तो बहुत फ्लो में बहुत सारी बातें कह दी, बट इसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा डेप्थ इन्वॉल्व होती है, एंड दीज कॉन्वर्सेशंस एंड दीज performance discussions, these learning discussions and your development plans, it goes a very long way और इसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा depth involved होती है. So for any individual who wants to grow and who wants to have a learning path and development path for themselves, I think it's important that कि वो slow and steady और पूरा plan करके लेकर चले. There is no thing like overnight success or anything. Usually ऐसा होता है कि sometimes people do get elevated, they do get certain opportunities, but might be they might not be ready for that, or maybe they were not properly planned. हम sometimes बहुत ज्यादा सीख कर रहे होते हैं अच्छी opportunities और grow करना, लेकिन जब वो अचानक से हमें मिल जाती हैं तो वो बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग होता है हमारे लिए, बिकॉज शायद हमने उसको सही से प्लान नहीं किया था. सो वट एवर यू आर एमिंग फॉर, मेक श्योर यू आर रेडी फॉर दैट टू. अदरवाइज इट्स अ परफेक्ट रेसिपी फॉर अ डिजास्टर. अगेन फॉर जैसे हमने विन 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 की बात की थी, इट माइट गेट अ लूज 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 सिचुएशन अगर आप उसके लिए तैयार नहीं है और रेडी नहीं है फुली. So for the individual, for the manager, and for the organization as a whole. So for your personal and professional development, it's very important that you plan things. And again, I would emphasize on this that nobody is going to come and tell you, oh, yes, organization and managers and mentors do help, but it's you who is going to take charge for your own career, for your own growth, personally and professionally. To please keep on doing that. Nowadays, तो बहुत ज़्यादा opportunities हो गई हैं. Back in time, इतना ज़्यादा it wasn't that easy to find out. However, people still get developed and got exposure. Platforms like Expert Pen. I think it is a wonderful opportunity so that people can connect. There are a lot of other online tools that are available for their learning, for their exposure. So we just need to find out the right areas जहाँ से हमने ये चीजें grab करनी है. So of course, as Jawad you mentioned, I'm available if anybody wants to talk more in detail in any of these areas.
Perfect, Monica. Thank you, by the way, for being part of the platform. It makes me excited to see people like you and experts like you joining in and sharing this wonderful journey and being part of the same cause. So when I was starting, by the way, सबसे बड़ा challenge ये था कि making sure that the experts understand कि हम करना क्या चाह रहे हैं. So now that people like you are joining in, and it is excitement and joy for me to see, exchanges happening on the platform. And like you shared before the call as well, कि कुछ लोगों ने आपसे connect किया और लोगों ने सवालात पूछे. So this is like growing, and I wish to see this happening more and more, and you becoming part of the journey. I think uh, it's
Thank you, Jawad. Thank you so much. I
no
think
words for that.
I think this was very helpful, and honestly, I feel really good. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है ये सारी conversations में और जो there's a concept of ikigai as well, Japanese concept. Whatever you do, if it is you feel good and you're good at it, so फिर वो
Mm.
perfect recipe बनती है. I like interacting with people. I like helping people. I really want to add value, give back to the society. I learned it from somewhere, so I feel responsible that I should also give back to people and society as a whole too. So I think it's wonderful, and I look forward to connect with more people.
Perfect. Thank you. That's it. I'm going to wrap it up. You can find Monica's URL, Expert Pins profile page URL in comments and description of this video. Thanks a lot, Monica. Take care.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Take care, Jawad. Goodbye.